Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So on the euro again, it definitely looks like we have a 1, 2, 3 right here. I think there's a good chance we're still in a wave 4, which will probably look like this before we go back up for a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is likely an A. I think this is likely in an A, B, C of B, which I still don't see any evidence the way B is over. And eventually, I think it will go down again for a wave C, and this should all be an A, B, C of 4. So keep that in mind, but also keep in mind this is the weekly time frame pattern, which means it could take very, very long time to play out, possibly months. Going down to the daily time frame, this is where I think this is very clearly a wave A. This is an A of B probably. This is 3 waves down for the B of B. I think we're likely at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside for a C of B. Now we're right in between two Fibonacci levels right now, and I've been saying for a while that the 123, 138 are my two most likely targets for the end of a wave B. So since we're right in between two fib levels, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think that the yen pairs are in an uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have a structure level right here. That is the structure level that will confirm to me that this move up is over. Until we actually get this break of structure, I'm definitely still only looking to go long on the shorter time frames. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I do think there's a pretty good chance it is going to go down before it goes up. I'm a swing trader, so I would much prefer to just wait for a proper setup to go long again, but to me it looks like a possible A. Plus we got a gap down here that never got filled, and this looks like a possible wave B. This just turned at the 90%, so there's probably a pretty good chance it will go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels for a wave C, maybe even fill this gap right here before it actually goes up for the continuation of the uptrend. If it does make this ABC pattern, that is definitely the next trade that I will be looking for to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it decides to go down and break structure, then I will definitely at that point, after the break of structure and after a pullback, start to look for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.